Welcome back as we explore the incredibly light and compact MSR Reactor stove system hanging kit. This smart accessory is constructed almost entirely of cable to keep your pack weight very low. It weighs a mere 1 ounce and packs down to a very thin 3-inch square. Just place your stove in the base and attach the canister to get everything ready. The sliding tensioner locks any reactor pod in place while giving you clear access to cook. You can use this versatile kit with every size of cookware in the reactor stove family. This durable kit made in America is essential for any climber looking to save valuable space. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.